This is the Frugal Gardener, and this is just a quick follow-up to the video I did about preparing for the heat wave, which is now here. This is one of the pots that I added the wood chips to. So I'm just basically showing you the projects that I did get done. So wood chips all the way around on these four, and the purpose of that is to hold in the moisture, less water. This was my big project that I really am happy I got out of the way, and that is scrubbing these containers. It's a chore. I'm not happy about doing it, but I'm always happy when it's over because I know that the water that I'm going to put on my plants is going to be safe. I use a little bit of bleach, but not much, and you rinse it out thoroughly. That takes care of that. And there was another project. What was the other one? Okay, yeah. That was getting this mulch down. So that's also out of the way. I did this last year. It looked nice, so I decided to do it again. I mean, 2 bags. I think it was a $2.77 a bag. This is not even a full bag. And when you step back and look at it, it looks kind of nice. If I can keep my finger out of the way. So that, and there were, I think, 1 or 2 other small projects that I wanted to get out of the way. This, I recently planted tomatoes in. I'm also going to throw a couple of cantaloupes in here. That is going to go back here, and that's it. The whole purpose of me doing this was to get this done before it got hot, so I wouldn't have to be out here today. I accomplished that. So going back in under the air conditioner. You guys enjoy the day. Stay cool. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. This is the Frugal Gardener. Catch you on the next video.